Hello everyone, my name is Rushikesh Gore from CSE third year. I am going to present a presentation on issues and challenges in providing quality of service in ad hoc wireless network. These are the contents we will like to explain in the further presentations in detail. First of all, see what is the basic idea of this topic. Quality of service. Quality of service aims to shape the network behavior and provide performance guarantee. A network or a service provider can offer different kinds of services to the user. Providing quality of service in ad hoc wireless network is an active research area. Quality of service is the performance level of a service offered by the network to the user. Networks have certain unique characteristics that pose several difficulties in providing quality of service. This is the example of quality of service in ad hoc wireless network. It is a game without QoS and with QoS. In this without QoS game shown in the picture, browser, game, BT, FTP, emit are assembled or are not in a transmission or not in the proper form. While there is getting difficulties to provide the quality of service. While in with QoS, the game are is in proper sequence, browser are the proper sequence, FTP, emit also are in proper sequence. Thus, this makes that to provide a good quality of service in this example. Here, a service can be characterized by a set of measurable pre-specified service requirements such as minimum bandwidth, delay, maximum delay variance, maximum packet loss rate. Whether there are the two examples to understand more detail about the quality of service in the video frame. First, a video frame without QoS support, and second, video frame with QoS support. These are the two pictures. In first picture, we can see that the picture is not clearly visible. The man is not clearly visible. The picture quality is very low. All the there is some delay or bandwidth problem also. The video is getting some more blur. It is not clearing that on the table these things are there or what the exactly there is happening. But in the second picture there is some quality of video. We can see that on the table there is glass, some paper, some pens, or the man is handling a blue color pen. Also he is talking with the another person, so it is clearly visible. That's why quality of service also can be provided from this video frame. We will see the issues and challenges in providing quality of service in ad hoc wireless network. First issue is dynamically varying network topology. Since the node in an ad hoc wireless network do not have any restrictions on mobility, the network topology changes dynamically. Hence, the admitted quality of service sessions may suffer due to the frequent path breaks, thereby requiring such sessions to the re-establishment over new paths. Second is imprecise state information. In most cases, the node in an ad hoc wireless network maintain both the link specific state information and flow specific state information. The link specific state information includes bandwidth, delay, jitter, loss rate, error rate, stability, cost, and distance values for each link. Third is lack of central coordination. Unlike wireless LAN and cellular networks, ad hoc wireless networks do not have central controllers. They do not have central coordinators. Why? Because the activity of nodes, because of the activity nodes. The further completion of QoS provisioning in ad hoc wireless network. Then fourth is error-prone shared radio channel. In this, the radio channel is a broadcast medium by nature. During the propagation through the wireless medium, the radio wave suffers from several impairments, such as attenuation, multipath propagations, and interference from other wireless devices operating as variant. Fifth is hidden terminal problem. And hidden terminal problem is infinite and out of wireless network. The problem occurs when packet originating from two or more sender nodes, which are not within the direct transmission range of each other, collide at a common receiver node. It necessitates the retransmission of the packets, which may not be acceptable for flow that have strained quality of service. Fifth is limited source availability. Resources such as bandwidth, battery life, storage space, and processing capability are limited in ad hoc wireless network. Out of these, bandwidth and battery life are critical resources. The availability of the significantly affects the performance of quality of service mechanism. Seventh is insecure medium. In insecure medium, due to the broadcast nature of the wireless medium, communication through wireless channel and highly insecure is getting difficult. Therefore, security is very important in ad hoc wireless network, especially for military and tactical applications. Eighth is hard state versus soft state resources. In quality of service reservation, in one of the very important components of quality of service framework is to complete a system that provides required promised service to each user or applications. It is responsible for reserving resources at all immediate nodes, whether in hard state and soft state approaches. Hard quality of service versus soft quality of service approaches. The quality of service providing approaches can be broadly classified into two categories: hard quality of service and soft quality of service approach. If quality of service in a connection are guaranteed by a mid of the whole duration, then quality of service is termed as hard QoS approach. If the quality of service are not guaranteed in the entire session, the quality of service is termed as soft quality of service. Keeping network dynamic in ad hoc wireless network in mind is very difficult to provide hard quality of service guarantees to user application. Thus, these are the issues and challenges in providing quality of service. Thank you.